welcome guys. I am Subha Malik, and in today's video I am going to share with you the number one best keyword research tool for 2019 and 2020. This is very best keywords research tool, and the very good thing about this is it is free, and it is Uber Suggest. It is developed by Neil Patel. You can access here neilplate.com/Uber Suggest, or simply you can go to google.com and type in Uber Suggest, and then click on the very first link just like that, and you will be here. Now you can see here you can search your keyword. This is the main bar for keyword research. For example, I am typing best tricycle. So if you are doing an affiliate site for Amazon affiliate site or something else, then you can type keywords like this: best tricycles for kids, just for example. Then click on search. Here you can select country and then click on search. Now it will take some time to load. Here you can sign in using your Google Gmail account to see more suggestions and daily ranking rank tracking and things like that. And here we are seeing verification, crosswalks, and click verify. Yes, so I am currently not signing in. This is the search volume for our keywords, and this is SEO difficulty. SEO difficulty means estimated competition in organic search. The higher the number, the more competitive the keyword is. Paid difficulty means how much other advertisers are bidding on that. Estimated competition in paid sites: the higher the number, the more competitive the keyword is. And this is the cost per click, that or in other words CPC, that other advertisers are using it or bidding it on this specific keyword. Average cost per click: if you wanted to pay Google to be seen as an ad, if someone else is paying as a high CPC, the keyword is usually more valuable. So this can be a ranking factor as well. So just scroll down and then click on view all keyword ideas. Here you will see more details about this keyword. For example, one keyword idea, and here you will see the average web page that ranks in the top 10 has 3 backlinks and domain score of 65. What this is an extra data which also helps you find the difficulty or ranking difficulty for you. Either you can rank for this keyword or not, depending upon this data. You can easily get 3 backlinks or outrank those existing ranking sites by getting more backlinks or developing more useful content than the existing one. Here also you will also see the search results, and then you can individually see the data. Estimated visits for this first site is 27 links by using this keyword. Links is 1 and domain score is 90. What is domain score? Domain based on variety of factors. This is the overall strength of the website. So just type some other keyword, just generic one. Click on search. Yes, best tricycles, best bike shorts, best strikes, motorbikes. And here is the keyword. Here is volume, the search volume. Search volume is the number of times keyword is being searched on Google. CPC is the cost per click that other advertisers are using to place an ad in Google. And this is the paid difficulty. The 100 mean, higher the number is mean, the more difficult the password is. And this is the SEO difficulty, how much difficulty this is for you to rank. 48%, 48, 44, 42. Now here the main the most important thing is the filters. Here you can click the filters. It is asking me to sign in. Now click on the filters, turn this filter on, and here type the minimum search volume. I am typing 10, and the maximum search volume 250, and then scroll down. You can also type some other characters as well, like minimum keyword difficulty 10 and maximum keyword difficulty 30, and then you click on apply. This will filter out the results for you. And here we have only one keyword, that is search volume is 10, CPC is 0, and paid difficulty is 50, and SEO difficulty is 21. It means it is getting 10 search keyword 10 searches per month, and it has very low keywords SEO difficulty, so that it means you can rank easily. And now just change the filters to just remove this difficulty, or just remove this overall, then hit on apply. It will show us some more keywords like this. Now we have more keywords like best tricycle for 1 year old. It has 210 search volume, CPC is 0.42, paid difficulty is 100, and SEO difficulty is still doable, 36, then 6. In this way you can find very good keywords, and it is totally for free, and it gives you very advanced data and many extra details as well. And the beautiful thing about this website is it is developed by Neil Patel, and he is an SEO expert and very well-known entrepreneur. And he also shows the number of backlinks, domain score of the average on average, and also we can see this sites, first ranking sites on the very first page of the Google using these keywords. You can also export this data as CSV. You can also copy this data to clipboard or export to CSV as well. So this is the number one best keyword research tool for 2020 or new year, or for next coming years as well. And if you are a low content or no content publisher, then this could be the best alternative to keyword everywhere as well. So I hope you will like this video and also like this tool. So if you like my video, then do subscribe to my channel, and also hit the like button below this video, and stay tuned for my coming up videos as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.